have given our very best to be dependable, solve problems, provide great products. Yeah, be there for you. Thank you for being there for us. The Boost Birthday Bear. They'll invite you to visit the National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Pearl City to near Deer Grove, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pearl City around 9:30 p.m. Sterling and Lena around 9:35 p.m. Freeport and Cedarville around 9:40 p.m. Dakota, Rock City, and Rhinelander around 9:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Davis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.